Hi there, Laura here. Today I am doing a collab video with Kailee Wesley again. So I've done one before with Kailee, which was inspired by spring flowers, and today we're going to be doing one inspired by a painting. Now, when she first talked about doing this, I was thinking about it, and I said, well, we've got to make sure that whoever's painting we use, we make sure that we acknowledge who it is, because you don't want to get into any copyright problems or anything. And then I said, well, how do you feel if we used one of my paintings? Because then I know there won't be any copyright issues at all, and she was fine with that. So what we've done is we've each chosen a painting, and we're going to use the painting as inspiration for our look. And the one she chose is actually the one behind me, hanging on the door. So I'll insert a picture as well so you can see it more closely. So I feel like I've got a bit of an advantage over Kailee on this one because I painted it, so I know the kind of colours and the thoughts behind what I was doing. So, sorry Kailee, I feel like I'm at an advantage in this little challenge that we're doing today. So I felt like this painting needed some dark eyebrows, so I've made my eyebrows quite dark and bold for my usual thing today. And I'm going to get started, and I'm going to use two eyeshadow palettes, one highlighter palette and a highlight for this. So I'm using my Dream with a Vision palette, surprise surprise, because it had a lot of the colours that were like in the painting. And I'm using my Chi Chi OMFG2 palette because it had some of the colours that I didn't have with the Dream in a Vision palette. I'm using my Chi Chi Opalescent Glow Cream Highlighter palette, which won't look like much on camera because it's a highlighter and you can't see much. And I'm using my LA Girl Strobe Light, which is yellow. And I'm using my NYX Matte Black Pencil and my Milk Jumbo Pencil from NYX and my Rimmel Black Eyeliner and a multitude of brushes. So I'm going to get started. I have primed my eyes, so I'm ready to go, and I'm going to start off with my Dream with Vision palette. And I'm going to start off with Aspirations, which is this purple colour here. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm going to work that into the crease. So if you didn't find Kailee last time I did a who am I talking about? If you didn't find Kailee last time I did a collab with her, then go check her out this time. She is a very small YouTuber, and she does lots of videos. She does up to 5 videos a week, very often. And she does project pans, and she does multiple looks with one palette, and she does tag videos and all sorts of things, and she's really fun and sweet, and she's very supportive as well. I'm going to get a slightly smaller brush, and I'm going to go into Bubble. And I'm going to deepen up the crease a bit. And then I'm going to go into Ambition, which is this dark blue. Now I know I haven't got the blue even, but what I want to do is I'm going to kind of cut the crease. I'm going to do the cut the crease method, but I'm not actually cutting the crease, I'm doing something else. You'll just see what I'm doing because I don't know how to explain it. So it's like a halo eye, but I'm going to do it in a weird shape. So I'm just using my concealer. Now the trick will be trying to get it the same on the other side. That's what we've got so far. And now I'm going to go back in with my palette, and I'm going to get this Skylight colour. So this Aqua Matte. Lots of mattes in this. Look, little wee picking brush. I'm going to go back into the dark blue. I think I'm going to go into my NYX white pencil and put some of that on an angle brush. And just run that down the middle. Now I'm going to go in with my Chi Chi OMFG2 palette, and I'm going to get this bright yellow. And then I'm going to go back into my Dream with a Vision palette and get the light yellow, which is called Sunshine. And put that in the middle. I'm going to get a tiny brush. This is a Real Techniques fine liner brush. I'm going to dip that into Cloud, which is this satin white, and I'm going to spray my brush. It's an amazing colour when you spray it. Just really, really shines. Okay. I think that's quite cool, if I do say so myself. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's certainly different from anything I have ever done before on my eyes. It's fun, Kailee. So this was Kailee's idea, to do a painting, which appeals to the artist in me, of course. But it's fun. Now I'm going to do my face makeup and then I'll come back. I've just put my foundation on. I haven't done anything else yet because, and a little bit of concealer under eyes, because I might want to conceal a bit more, so I don't want to powder or anything. So I'm going to go in with my white NYX pencil and milk again, and I'm going to put it on my little brush. And that's why I didn't want to powder, because I wanted to be able to clean up. Then I'm going to go in with my Sunshine colour. And I'm going to go into the darker yellow that I used out of my Chi Chi palette, so this one here. And I'm going to go in with my concealer and my little brush, if I can find it. I'm going to go back into Bubble, this dark purpley colour. Then I'm going to go back into Aspiration. Get my black pencil and I'm going to tight line. Then I'm going to go into my black liquid eyeliner. I'm going to go back into the dark blue, which is Ambition. Oops. then I'm going to go into my Chi Chi Opalescent Glow Cream Highlighter Palette, and I'm going to first take this colour called Rainbow. And I'm going to use a sponge applicator for this. And I'm going to put that in my inner highlight, in my inner corner for my highlight, I should say. So it doesn't work that well with a brush, but it does work well with a sponge applicator because it is a cream product. And then I'm going to go into Mermaid, which is this green one. Not that you could probably tell that, but it is. I'm going to get another sponge applicator. And I'm going to put some of the green right on the inner corner. Now I could just go a very nude look because it's a very bold eye look, but because of, which way should I go? Because of the painting is quite dark with just that pop of light down the middle of the painting, I'm going to go for a darker lip, and the only really dark lip that will go with this that I've got is actually a purple. I'm going to use my CoverGirl Demi Matte Purple in Feelings because I could have done a blue, except I don't have a blue lipstick. Could have even done a black, but I don't have a black lipstick either. So there's my eye look, inspired by a painting. That painting is called Reflective. I did that abstract painting with the feeling of maybe lying under some trees with the light shining through and thinking about different things, you know, how you do. So that's why I called it Reflective. And this is the eye look that I came up with based on that painting. So thank you, Kailee, for collabing with me again. This was a lot of fun. I wasn't very talkative in this look because I had to concentrate quite hard to do this. So it was a lot of fun, but I did have to concentrate. So I wasn't very chatty in this video. But if you haven't seen Kailee's videos, then I will link her channel below, and I will link her video, her collab video with me down below as well, so you can check her out. So go check her out. And I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.